Get in here.
I wasn't there! Okay, everybody move so that the parents can...
We had a couple other playoff games where she came in and her nerves they showed a little bit, and those games helped to work through it. And so, you know, we had complete confidence in her. We talked about it. We talked about being nervous and what it was like, and you know, she just needed to relax and throw. She's great.
How big was
going
that?
on both of them.
That third inning to come in with runners on second and third and get you out of that and keep that lead. Talk about what she did there.
That's just what she's been doing all year. Whether she starts and we have Haley to come in and finish it, or if she comes in and finishes it, it's just like that's what we've been doing all year. And so for them to be able to relax and stay within themselves and to be able to execute that in this big game, you know, it's huge. And she's only a freshman.
What about making the change at that point? Was there a reason? Haley said she got hit by the pitch and maybe she was a little...
Yeah, and even if she didn't think it was affecting her, we kind of felt that it was, because with the adrenaline and everything, she's probably not going to feel it, but her pitches just weren't moving the way they were earlier. And so, yeah, that was why we decided at that point. Otherwise, we might have waited a little longer.
I was feeling like I just needed to do my job, and that if I did my job, which was pitch strikes, that I would be able to get out of the inning.
Were you nervous at any point out there?
Yeah.
Especially coming, you know, to come into a situation when you got runners on second and third.
When I came in, I wasn't nervous, but toward the end, I got a little bit of nervous, but that was...
It was just a great journey. We worked hard all season. Our motto this season was finish it, and this game just showed that we worked together, we worked hard, our pitching was great, our hitting was all together, and we just really worked as a team. We're one big family, and we really showed it up. You know, being our last year being our first year in any kind of playoffs, it was really bittersweet making it this far and then not winning, but this year it definitely capped it off, especially having our senior Sophia, and this being her last game. It was a really great way to send her off.